Welcome back, viewers. Thank you for joining me on another unboxing video. If you have joined us new to this channel and are enjoying my content, it would be a big help to my channel if you liked and shared this video, and most importantly, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will be notified of new videos like this in the future. As you have guessed from the title and from the thumbnail of the video, this video is about Tombstone. The movie was released in 1993 and starred Kurt Russell as Wyatt Earp, Val Kilmer as Doc Holliday, which I think is one of his best works, and directed by George P. Cosmatos, who also directed Rambo 2. The following year, a very similar film released called Wyatt Earp starring Kevin Costner, but Wyatt Earp was more of a biography and Tombstone focuses on the famous OK Corral gunfight. Before we begin, I want to quickly apologize for the glare coming from the ring light. Today I am going to be unboxing Tombstone Limited Edition Steelbook on 4K and Blu-ray. This Steelbook was first released on the 28th of April, but quickly became out of stock everywhere, then later more copies were available. I bought this from HMV for £32.99 and is still available on HMV, Zavvi, and Amazon UK. After taking off the shrink wrap, I can straight away notice that this Steelbook looks amazing. The artwork on the front cover has Wyatt Earp and Doc Holliday, the film's title in the middle, and at the bottom it has the artwork of the remaining Wyatt brothers and the Bandit Gang. I am glad they added the film's title in the middle. Without the film's title on Steelbooks, it just looks empty. The front artwork looks really good. The artwork on the Steelbook is much better than the normal 4K edition. The letterings of Tombstone are debossed, which gives the Steelbook a special touch. The Steelbook has a matte, shiny, glossy finish, which makes the artwork look really nice. The artwork on the back is not good as the front. The artwork has just a U.S. Marshal badge. But the artwork of the badge is embossed, which makes it stand out more. This is the 4K disc. The artwork on the disc has the title and the Tombstone town. And this is the Blu-ray disc. The disc artwork on this has the Wyatt brothers and Doc Holliday. The inner artwork inside the Steelbook looks amazing. It has the main lead characters. The artwork is taken from the scene just before the gun battle of the OK Corral. The artwork has the same matte metallic glossy finish as the front cover. And this is the spine, which I forgot to show earlier. The J-card is a quarter slipcover in thick cardboard paper. I normally sell the thin paper J-card they normally stick on the back of the Steelbook, but these I am going to keep. You can pause the video around here to have a closer look at the bonus features and the specifications. The bonus features are only on the Blu-ray disc, and they are the same old features from the previous Blu-ray editions. It has Dolby Vision and is region-free. So that was the unboxing of the Tombstone Limited Edition 4K and Blu-ray Steelbook. The Steelbook has amazing artwork with debossing and embossing. I didn't have Tombstone in any form of physical media in my collection, so this was a must-buy. I have yet to check out how the film looks on 4K. The downsides are that it doesn't contain the director's cut and no new added content on the bonus features.